Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix a corroded Wii controller. By inspecting the damage, you have to open the battery compartment. If you observe, you can see that this Wii controller has some green crusty buildup on the battery terminal. Yours could be blue or white. Whichever color it is, we need to get rid of the rust. I've listed below the tools you need for this fix. Now, to clean this crusty buildup, we have to open the controller completely. I'll go ahead and unscrew it. Now use a prying tool to open it up. Carefully place the top cover down with the controller buttons, as this can fall off. Remove the silicone protector and place them on the top cover. This is the speaker. Place it back in and carefully remove the PCB board from the bottom cover. As you can see the crust all over the battery terminals. Now we are going to use alcohol or any PCB cleaning agent to get rid of the crust. Depending on how long it's been in that state, you'll need to use a hard tool to scrape the crust off. Don't forget to remove the other part of the battery terminal from the bottom cover. You need to get rid of the crust on this part. You can soak it in alcohol to make the crust come off easily. Apply alcohol. After applying alcohol, I use the braided copper wire to scrape off the crust properly. This particular Wii controller was corroded and left over a long period of time. Crust is hard. You can use whichever tool you have at your disposal to get rid of this crust. I also use a needle to scrape off the crust from the tight corners and all the points of contact. Applying alcohol while scraping off the crust. Please note, we have to get rid of all the crust completely from the battery terminal. You see those tight corners are where the spring passes through. So I'm using a needle to scrape off the crust in those angles. We need the crust completely off. This is because we need contact between the spring and this terminal. Gradually getting the crust completely off this terminal. You need to repeat the same process for both battery terminals. One terminal is on the bottom cover, the other terminal is on the PCB board. Speed this up. Save time. Now I'm done cleaning the crust off the battery terminals. Return the springs back in place. Don't forget to also clean and scrub the springs. After putting back the spring, set your multimeter to diode mode and test both battery terminals for continuity. This is how we know whether the crust is completely off. This is okay because the multimeter beeps when tested. I'll go ahead and put the spring back for the battery terminal that is connected to the PCB board. Before putting everything back together, I'll have to test battery terminal on the PCB board, whether there's contact between them. That's whether there's a contact between the PCB board and the battery terminal. We'll also use the multimeter diode mode to test this. Tested okay. I'll go ahead and put everything back together to see if this works. Yes, it's working. Thank you for watching.